for yourself, you're actually turning the same way as that would be, but it's on a different button. So you can tool. So left ear goes there. Palms facing upwards. Here come the go backwards. Go to the back of your seat too. There's a little hidden line there. That body's nice and loose, the eyes are closed, and there'll be a small push that way. Okay, so do this one for real. So then the shoulder drop down a bit more if you can. There we go. I know, especially for yourself, it's not the easiest thing. That's nice and loose there, and shoulder drops down.